I guess this works. All right, guys. So, what's good? You know, Outlandish Customs. I'm here with y'all for another video. So, I don't got no shoes for y'all today. You know, I'm coming back with those real soon, but today we don't got no shoes. We're gonna work on something a little different. We're gonna try another controller. Those of you that follow me on social media, you saw that I hydro dipped the front piece of my controller, did this galaxy design. That's on my Instagram. I'll probably be posting some more stuff on Snap and Twitter. All that handles will be on the screen, probably like here, maybe here and here. Yeah, so y'all should go follow me and support. And today, we're gonna start with taking this joint apart. So all you would need is, well, I'm using everything that's in this bag pretty much, but you don't necessarily need this stuff. If you can find a small enough screwdriver, you'll be straight, and something to just pry it open with. So as for everything in this bag, comes with, you can get this on Amazon for like a couple dollars. I think I paid like $6 for all this. I'm gonna link that below. So you can get your hands on this if you want to try it yourself. But like, it'll come with both of these little safety jumps. They're like screwdrivers, but they have a little hole at the end. You can see that to take out the little safety bit that's in the controllers that I'll get into showing you later. It comes with these little pieces that you can put in between and pry it open. And we'll get into ants. We're going back inside, but we'll get into how to use everything. I'm trying to do something different. This is how the bugs are. Alright, those ants out there were crazy, and it was hot, and I just don't like bugs on me, so I had to, shower, change, put on a do-rag. But anyway, you're gonna need your controller if you're gonna do it with a controller. Sand them out of some sort, whatever you're gonna use the sand with. Acetone, white, too thin, and your tools to take it apart, whatever you're using, the screwdriver, even just to pry it open. So let's get into it. Alright, so here we are. I'm taking the backs off the controller so I could start getting all the screws out. That's one of those little tools I saw. These screwdrivers I'm showing you, they have the little hole in it like I told you about earlier, and you can get into the little safety bits of the screws because they have like a metal stand in the middle, so you can't use a regular screwdriver to get it out. But once you get it out, the controller face just pretty much comes straight off once you get out all 5 screws. And make sure you put those to the side so you don't lose them, because you can't put your controller back together without it. So now we're going to acetone the controller, sand it down, and yeah. Alright, for the next part of, why are you looking like that? That's garbage. Oh, is it really just my camera was dirty? Yeah, I guess we're good. Alright, so, because the controller we're going to do, we're going to actually hydro dip that, what you read in the title if you saw that, to be this far. But you need your hydro activator for this next step, a bin of some sort, and your film or spray paint. I'm going to try this film. That's really why I'm doing this. It's a Dragon Ball Z film, so I'm going to get rolling this out. Oh. Roll that back up a little bit. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay it out. I'm gonna measure it to the size of the face of the controller. Same with the back pieces that I also did off camera because I didn't think you needed to see that too. But we're gonna cut this out to fit it around the controller, like a little jump here. Space about that big, already cut that whole square out. So I'm gonna cut this out and get back to y'all. We got tape around this bad boy, so we flattened it out and taped it. So now we're gonna dip it in our water here. I can get it off my gloves. Okay. Here we go. So we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. It's gonna probably crumble, then it's gonna flatten back out. Then we're gonna hit it with our activator. Then we're gonna get into the dipping. You can see it's crumbling. It definitely crumbled. I was told it's gonna flatten back out, so fingers crossed. Because if it doesn't, that's gonna be tragic. Maybe if I give it a little help. Definitely didn't put enough tape on here, so on the next one, see how that corner over there is not connected, but we're in too deep. So activator. Got the sauce, boy. That's tough. Like, look at that. He almost fell off the steps. That came up pretty nice. Like, you can see the different characters on there. All right, now let's get into the main controller. Oh, it's all on my gloves too. Hydro dip gloves. Sweet. Dang, so close. Almost had it, lost the top corner. All right, so this is what we got out of that. Didn't really turn out how we were looking for, you know, a little mess up right there, but I mean, all in all, not too bad. The back's pretty cool. The Crow Master and Kid Goku on there. We got the Piccolo's turban, Boo, King Kai, and Bulma right here. So now one thing left to do